now let's look at this side. Okay. This word in Chinese is called yi and yan. Yan?
Yan.
Yan? Yan basically means, words. Okay, words. What you speak, yeah. 多 Here basically means excess. Too much. Okay. Too much words.
Okay.
则 If you don't control your mouth and you keep on babbling out too much words, what happened then? 失 lose again. What do you 失 this time? Yeah, again. You lose your words. Okay. Now, let's first review the Chinese lesson. 言 多 则 失 言 When your words are too much, then you will lose your words. What does it mean? We all actually can relate to that. For example, you want to say something to your friends, and you were not very rational, and you allow your mouth to be controlled by your emotion. Not rationality, but emotion. And sometimes the worst thing is anger. When you're angry or when you are jealous, okay? During those moments, you will start to babble out quite a lot of words that are not good. Those words are really called excess and too much. Okay, if you're upset, you can make some statement that is rational and true. But if you don't control your emotion, you allow your mouth to keep on releasing out your emotion. And those emotions are, at that time, happen to be very negative emotions, especially when you're upset. You allow anger to drive your mouth, and those words are bad. You lose your words. Okay, those words, they basically it's called you lose control of your words. Those words can harm people. And those words, when it harms people, you cannot take it back. Those words are a weapon. They are bullets. They are sharp blades of knife. They can cut. They can make people bleed. They can even kill. So watch your mouth. Don't allow your mouth to release those very poisonous, harmful, negative words that you can never take it back. Do you know the moment when you are so upset and you are so full of anger and sometimes even hate, or full of jealousy, and your mouth starts to release those poisonous words, and whoever hears it, you basically harming them. So 多 a lot. It doesn't mean the more the better. Okay, if your words are kind and gentle and full of beauty, full of love, full of compassion, right? Those are words. If they are full of truth, there is no such thing called too much. Okay? Those are good things. But here, basically, a lot of times the reason has too much is because that person lost rationality and leaked out the bad stuff. And the mouth truly, there is this cancer character in Chinese. That's the I. The I. What is underneath? Is that?
I don't know.
The cancer, right?
Yeah,
Cancer.
cancer, yeah.
Cancer is like mouse. It's all mouse.
Mm.
You know, that character basically is full of words.
Mm.
What is that? Suddenly I cannot
yeah.
remember the I.
Yeah.
No. What I'm talking about? This. Yeah, the I, it has mouse, and it's like a mountain. No, it basically is telling you, how terrible it is to have too many access of the words leak out from your mouth. That's why you need to watch out your mouth. Cancer comes out from what? That's from 言多. Too much negativity is gossip, jealousy, hate words, words of separation. When you keep on doing that, you have cancer. Mountain of excess of unneeded words. Yeah. So these are all very wise, moral lessons. For especially I say for our young men and young ladies, never allow your main consciousness to lose control because of intoxication. Because you will totally lose style. Once you lose style, you expose that ugly side of your, not even you. You got controlled by the devil and you behaved like stupid, And all the people, your business partners and the people who love you, they see that, they will remember that. And when they remember that, how embarrassed you are. Do you know what I mean? Don't make yourself looking so ignorant and lose your beautiful style. Okay? And definitely don't allow your mouth to be losing control. Babble out negativities and causing harms that is chunks of karma. And you may actually suffer from deadly disease. If you don't watch out, truly so. Means no joke. Because words kill, words harm. And you can never take those things back. That's really the big time problem. Once it comes out from your mouth, you will never be able to take it back again. Okay? So this basically, today's moral lesson is very important, and we hope that we deliver into your mind. And remember, and hope that benefit.
Thank you.